is Hill from Hutchinson's Hill. Today we're doing a ceramic knife sharpening video. My buddy Jeremiah's here. He's going to show you how it's done.
Alright, this is a 3000 grit ceramic rod. It's my finishing stone. I done took it to the other stones, so I'm going to show you how to get an angle on your Mora. Alright, you want to put this flat against your grind and tilt it until it hits your bevel, and then work it away from the knife. So just do a couple passes. I don't do the counting crap, so start on this here. Till you feel it creating a burr. Switch it. Till you feel, you really want to feel it cut into the stone. When you get, I don't know if you can see it, but you'll get a slurry of metal across the blade right along your edge. That's what you want. You know you're hitting your edge perfectly when that happens. All that. I don't have to cut my finger again.
Again.
Okay. Work the burr on that side, switch it. Let's see. Got a very fine burr to the right. So now we can strop.
You can bring the strap over here.
Alright. You see it?
No. The giant body is creating a shadow.
My burr's on this side, so
Explain what a burr is.
Here's your knife edge, straight to a point. You can see it. A burr is microscopic, little flappy piece of metal all the way at the top, and the belt burns that off and leaves you with your perfect point. And after this, we'll do a cut test.
The point of this is to burn it off, so
You take it,
speed.
work it like that, all the way to the top. If it gets one side hot, it's the other side hot. Make sure you get your tip real good, it's easy to miss. And make sure you go away from the leather, not into it. We'll work it a different way. Make sure we get the whole burr. Get the leather powder off and do a cut test. Let's see if we can find some good places. There we go. You see it?
Yeah.
Trick is not to go fast, but to go slow. See if you have any nicks. But it still looks pretty cool to go fast, you know. Just take off. So yeah, see if it shaves. There she is. Alright, that was Hutchins from Hutchins & Hill.